Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So we'll be seeing Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So if you observe yesterday, whatever we have discussed in the video, market was exactly behaving the same way. So yesterday I made a video within market hours. Almost daily I'm making videos within market hours so that it will help you to trade on that given day, and it will also give you the edge what can happen for tomorrow. So based on the levels that we are discussing in this video. Yesterday when I made this video, when I posted this video, Nifty was trading somewhere here. So in video I said if Nifty breaks 25,611.12, we will see a short covering and immediately we are going to see a target of 25,700. So which is what we have achieved it yesterday only. Yesterday it made a high of 25,697, just 698 or 697. Yeah, it is 697, 697, just 3 points below our first target. Okay, so we are not greedy for 3 points. So yesterday itself it given a target. Now when it have given a breakout, if you have entered yesterday, you would have captured this move. By seeing this video, if you have entered yesterday, you would have captured this move. Again, what I said, in case if it gives breakout and if it tests the first target, you wait for the pullback. Always wait for the pullback after the breakout, and in the pullback if it is creating a green candle, okay, then we are going to enter long. This is where the first candle was red today, immediately next candle was green, again exactly near our trend line. And I also discussed about this zone yesterday in the video, which is a FVG, which is fair value gap. So market created fair value gap, came down, triggered this, again came down, again triggered this, again came down. When it came down, again it has created here fair value gap. Again you can mark this zone in your chart, which is from 25,370 to 25,420. 50 points fair value gap here. In case in future when market comes and tests this zone, you will see market is going to bounce from this zone. Okay, so this is what we discussed, and again today it have given retest on this trend line and it have closed 15 minutes green candle here. So this will be our entry, this will be our stop loss. Again immediately today, how many points we got from this zone? From here almost we got 111 points. So we might not exit at top. So as we discussed in the video yesterday, so in Nifty we will be trailing 80 to 100 points. We will be trailing our stop loss 80 to 100 points. In case in trailing, if stop loss got triggered, that's it. So we will exit from our trade. So obviously immediately next to three only you got the green candles. That to 15 minutes you got three green candles, so that in options you'll get a very good move. In options, the 20 rupees option might have jumped to 80, 100 rupees. Okay, in this kind of move. So you would have captured that expiry move today. So people who have joined my WhatsApp community, learning community, based on this analysis, they have captured the move today and they have made good profit today. They have captured this first three candles move and they made the good profit today. And also what we discussed yesterday, our second target will be 25,811. So you can go and check my yesterday's video. This is what exactly I said. Our second target will be 25,811. Okay, and I also said yesterday, so from here I was bearish till here, from here I was bullish till here, but now from here I am turning to be a bearish till what level? Till this level, which is 25,811 level. I am bearish. This week we are going to achieve this level. Maybe today only we might see testing this level as well. Okay, so now what next for Wednesday? In case if 25,811 is triggered today, this target, what is our next move? So in case if a candle close like this today above this trend line and it goes sideways and market closes here, let's assume, okay, you wait for a dip on this trend line. If a green candle is created, it should be a hammer like candle or it should be a candle like this, full body candle with small wick downside. So in that case you will be taking your entry here and here will be your stop loss. And what will be your targets? The nearest target which I am seeing above 25,911 is 25,944. 25,944, which I am seeing the nearest target in Nifty. In case if it closes above 25,944, 26K will be our second target again, which is the psychological resistance number. Okay, multiple times we have seen rejection here on this 26,000 level. So when market is trading here, I clearly said in my videos, no, now I am turning into bearish. Okay, and I also said we might come till this level 25,400. Exactly we came till there, and exactly we again caught the bottom here and again now we are going towards our target, which is 25,811. Now again, if market closes above 25,811 and gives a retest, enter on the retest by keeping your stop loss just below that retest candle. Wait for the green candle to close. Again, don't enter in this kind of red candle even retest is coming. Always wait for the candle to close. That way you will be safe 80 to 90% of the times. Hardly 10% of the times, again it might come back and trigger your stop loss. Again, in stock market there is no 100% holy grail. There is, as I said in yesterday's video also, if anybody comes and say I have a strategy which works 100%, it means that they are bluffing you. No strategy in stock market will work 100%. Every strategy will have that win ratio and drawdown. Maximum 80 to 90% you can make a strategy the best strategy, but 100% you cannot make. The 10 to 15% drawdown you will have. Okay, so now this is the case for the upside. So I am seeing 25,944 and 26k in case if it closes above 25,811. But when it comes to 26k, then again we will do our analysis tomorrow. In case if it comes and touch near 26k, then based on how price is reacting there, we will do further analysis for Thursday and Friday. But as of tomorrow, this is my analysis for the upside. Now what is the downside? Okay, in case market gives a breakout upside, okay, above 811, and I said in retest, if it creates a green candle, you will be entering for the upside for the target of 25,944 and 26k as the second target. But what if market closes above 811 in the retest? If it is not closing a green candle, instead of green candle, if it close a red candle here, it can be a inverted hammer, it can be a full body red candle. In case if it close a red candle and if you are seeing that close below 25,722, if that close is happening below 25,722, then your first target will be this, the fair value zone. Okay, and here also you have this swing, so this will be your first target, which is 25,640. 25,640 will be your first target. Again, plus or minus 10 points, it will be exactly dot. It will not come and test 25,640 and then it will rebound. Either it can rebound from 25,650 or either it can give dip till 25,630 and then it might rebound. Okay, so this is only what I'm seeing on the downside at the moment. Only one target I can give. In case if a red candle close below 25,722, you can keep that candle high as your SL. You can aim for 25,640 as your target. This is what I am seeing downside. Okay, in case if market closes a red candle and you have entered here, immediately if it closes a green candle upside, even though it is not triggering your stop loss, you can exit from the trade. And if you want to enter, you can enter upside here by keeping stop loss below this green candle. Only two trades you can try tomorrow. One thing is, if a red candle close below this trend line below 25,722, you will enter downside for 25,640. In case if it breaks today this trend line and again it will retest tomorrow morning, then you will enter on the retest when a candle closes in green by keeping candle low as SL and candle high as your entry, 25,944 as your first target, 26k as your second target. This is what I am seeing in Nifty. Now let's come back and see in Bank Nifty. Again, yesterday itself I said Bank Nifty is looking little strong compared to Nifty, and that is what we are seeing today. Okay, so yesterday I clearly said when market was trading here, so we will see 60,900. On the breakout of 60,900, we will be seeing all-time high. This is what I have said in the yesterday's video. Now our all-time high is almost from 60,900. Our all-time high is 61,800, close to 61,800. So we are almost 800 to 900 points away from here. Then what I said, when it gives a breakout of 60,900, wait for the retest. On the retest, if it creates a green candle, then you will be entering. So you would have entered here and your stop loss would have been here below this trend line. And today you see how many points you would have captured if you would have seen my video and followed the levels. Almost 449 points. Let's assume you have exited here itself within two candles, even though there are 340 points. Immediately after retest and a green candle close, you see within these two candles only you made 300 plus odd points. Okay, I also said above 59,000, 50,900, if it close and gives a retest and close a green candle, we will be aiming towards all-time high, but we will be trailing 200 points, 150 to 200 points in Bank Nifty. So in case if you have entered here 60,750, what will be your first target? It will be 60,850. Sorry, 60,950. So you will bring your stop loss from 60,750 to here. And again, when it market went and tested 61,750, you will bring your stop loss from here to here. Okay, above this market have not went, so your stop loss will be here only on the candle closing basis. And now we are trading at 61,150 range, 150, 160 range. Now what is our move for tomorrow? Tomorrow, suppose if Bank Nifty closes here and if it gives a dip here to this zone again to 60,900 zone, at 60,900, if it is creating a green candle here, it can be a hammer candle, it can be a full body candle with a small wick downside or small wick upside is okay. If it creating a green candle at this zone, so you will enter here by keeping your stop loss here. Okay, so let's assume it will retest and it is closing near 6130 or 61k. You will enter here by keeping your stop loss here. Again, your target will be this high. In case if it closes here, your target will be this high, 61,200. Okay, and then it will be 61,333. From here we will be trailing 100 points, then it will be 61,444 and then 555. This will be your targets for the upside in Bank Nifty. But you have to wait for the retest because now you have missed this rally. So you have to wait for the retest. On the retest, if it creates a green candle, you can enter by keeping your stop loss here. Okay, and next week will be our monthly expiry. So we might see a good movement next week, but this week we might see small movements. And again in Bank Nifty, when you will go short, you will only go short when Bank Nifty closes candle below 60,700. Till it is not closing a candle below 60,700, you are not going to go short tomorrow because every dip will get a buying. So unless and until it is not closing below this zone 60,700, you will be not seeing Bank Nifty coming down. Okay, until and unless it is above 60,900, Bank Nifty will act as a buy on dip. So better you wait for the pullback. In the pullback, wait for a green candle closing on 15 minutes time frame, then you take your entry in Bank Nifty. This is our game plan for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Hope you guys are going through the videos and watching the levels, and almost I'm making videos from 10 days. Every day our levels are working. Okay, we are not just randomly taking our levels, we are taking our levels based on the price action and based on the support resistance concepts. Okay, either it can be a trend line support resistance or it can be horizontal support resistance. So based on support resistance and trend line concepts, and based on price action, based on psychology of buyer and seller, based on fair value gaps, we are identifying these levels. I'm not just saying levels just like that for the namesake of analysis. So there is a lot of analysis behind this video. Before I come and I make any video, I do a lot of analysis so that nobody should go in loss because of my analysis. Okay, so again, I'm not a SEBI registered analysis. Please treat this video as an educational video and learn from this video. In case if you are taking any buy sell decisions or anything, you please consult your financial advisor or any SEBI research analyst, and accordingly you can make your decisions. Okay, so I request people who are watching this video to comment in the comment section what is that next video I have to make, okay, on the price action. In case if you are thinking that if you have this kind of knowledge, it would be helpful for you, just comment under this video what is that you are thinking to make me my next video. Okay, so that accordingly, based on the comments, based on the number of comments I get under this video, I will make a good price action learning video for you all guys so that you can learn from them. Okay, also please like, whenever you are viewing this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends, whoever is interested or whoever is into trading. Please share our channel and let's together grow this channel. Thank you everyone.